When I considered this program, there were a few obstacles that were in front of me, one of which was financial burden. I was concerned what an additional degree would do to the financial future of my children. Should I pursue another degree? I know it's great that my kids will have a mom and a dad who both have PhDs, but what does that mean for us and their financial future? And so I was concerned about the financial burden that we would assume for an opportunity like this. To my great surprise, this program has a commitment to the culture of generosity. And Dr. Thomas and Amy Larimore and so many others have been advocating for this program and inspiring donors to give and invest in something that they probably couldn't see yet. And because of their hard work, it means that students like me will not have any life-altering debt. And so not having life-altering debt is not just a reality for me, it's for my kids too. And so I'm very grateful that this program, through its leadership, has the vision to invest in the program financially.